Hi guys, in this video, let's tackle on how to add and subtract similar fractions. But before we delve to these two basic operations, let's recall first what similar fractions are. Now when we talk about similar fractions, these are fractions which have the same denominators. So for example, we have here 1/4 and 3/4. So as what you can see, they have the same denominator, which is 4, and also 4/7 and 5/7. As what you can see, they also have the same denominator, which is 7. So these two sets of fractions are called similar fractions. While for this example, 5/8 and 5/9, these two fractions are not similar, and it's also called as dissimilar fractions because they don't have the same denominators. Now, when adding similar fractions, all you have to do is to simply follow these three steps. First, simply copy the common denominator and then add the numerators. And then lastly, you have to reduce the fraction to its lowest form. For example, add the following similar fractions. You have to add 1/5 and 3/5. So all you have to do is to simply copy the denominator, which is 5, and then add the numerator. So 1 plus 3, that is 4. So our answer would be 4/5. How about this one? 6/7 and 8/7. So all you have to do is to copy the denominator, which is 7, and then add the numerator. So that's 6 and 8. That is 14. So 14/7, that can still be simplified into 2. So our final answer is 2. You have to follow the same steps when you're going to subtract similar fractions. So the first step is you will simply copy the common denominator and then subtract the numerators, and then you have to reduce the fraction to its lowest form. For example, subtract the following similar fraction. So you'll have to subtract 4/6 from 5/6. So in order to do that, you will simply copy the denominator, which is 6, and then subtract 4 from 5. So 5 minus 4, that is simply 1. So our answer would be 1/6. Now about this one, 3/4 minus 1/4. So you will simply copy the denominator, which is 4, and then subtract 1 from 3. So 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 2/4, and that can still be reduced to 1/2. So 1/2 is our final answer. So that's just it. That is just how to add and subtract similar fractions. Now this time, try to answer this. Try to perform the indicated operations and try to comment your answer in the comment section below. That's all for now. Thank you, more power, and God bless us all.